Hey, hello guys, welcome back. So, yes, let's go. As I said, right, this is my second video. Let's start from where we stopped actually. Let's not jump into complex programming and all. Let me hide this controls. So now, see, this is where we stopped last time, right? So we did an addition program, right? We did just an addition of two numbers. So now I really don't know what exactly all this. Explain me the code like explain me the code like how you explain to children's children's of age 5. You may have dead there while I'm explaining. So now instantly I'm doing it. This is not something like scripted, which I had already recorded and then editing. This is instantly I'm just talking. So here is a program explained like you are a 5 years old. Okay, imagine you have two empty boxes and the computer asks you what is the first number. Oh, this is nice. Okay, but guys, you have a like button here. Whenever you like a response, if you hit like, right, the model will take this positively. It will think, okay, fine, I am doing what I am expected to. What is the user is asking? I'm giving him the right output. So whenever you like, you just hit like button. It always keeps that in the context. Context means here it's memory. Now, no, I was asking program, program. Okay, I'm asking how the program is written. This is just for people to read, not for the computer. Ask for the first one written step by step. Okay, second number. No, I wanted to know each and every line, each and every explanation, like what is num1, why it is used. This is the command. Okay, Python input the input, enter the this part shows the message on the screen. Okay, now it's explaining what is it. Waits for you to type something and num1, the thing you type is saved in a box called num1. Okay, whatever we give the number, it will go and save in num1. Wow, this is a proper explanation. Same like num2. Float, this input type you saved as a text like a word. Float will change into that number. Okay, if in case if we type text, that will be it will change into the number that can have decimals. If you have typed 5, it becomes 5.0. So that's the reason they will write float. This is how it is explained. This is right. Also, it is explained here. Num1, num2 result are called variables. Yeah. So with this one program, you can learn each and every single thing. What is print? You can ask. It will explain to you. What is result? What is that value which goes and sits in the result? What is num1? What is num2? What is an integer? What is a float? Everything you can learn step by step here by selecting ask. Now, let's do one thing. Let's let's create another program. Write another program for me for subtraction. Subtraction. See, it will just take seconds to write a program. When we are not aware of anything, imagine we have to read books, we have to go through many videos, and then we have to learn. Now, to learn programming, we don't require any kind of degree or graduation or anything. Even if you're not aware, you can learn step by step and you can implement. See now, subtraction also it has written. Now you want to copy the same thing, but you want to create another file. Let's do create another file, subtraction.py. Py is used for Python programs. If you're writing Python, file name should be .py. Let's copy paste this here. This is done. And when you want to run this, right click on this, you can just say run the test. It will run. Okay, sorry, not run test. You should just say run the Python file in the terminal. See, enter the first number. I will enter 10. Second number 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. It's giving us 8.0 because we use float. Float is it's a data type. It is called as a data type. Or if you want to keep it as integer, you put as integer here. Okay, let's do that. I don't want answers in .0 format. I want in integer format. We'll see as integer without .0. You can change the code using int. As I said, it changed to int. So now let's copy this. Copy, delete this here, paste it here, run it. Now I'll enter the number 10 to 10 minus 2, 8. This is how it is done. So now let's create a new section, a new chat. Okay, I will click on here. This is the new chat. You have to click this plus symbol here. This is to open chat. This is to create a new chat. So now this session, if you click, it will take you to this. Now the AI, right? The GitHub Copilot will keep all this information in its memory. When this session we have done addition, subtraction, so it will keep that in the context. Now if we go to new, this will not have anything about the previous session. This is totally new. Okay, and whatever you see here, it has selected this file, it has kept it like how we attach a document when we are sending an email. We will attach a document and we will send an email, right? The same way you can attach the file here. The reason, let me explain why is that people will attach documents here. Let me close this, but still you see the plus mark is here. I will cancel this. Now I wanted to start something new. Let me close all this. I'll close the terminal. You can close the terminal also. Now, once I closed everything, everything got disappeared. Now, all of a sudden, someone asked me, okay, write both addition and subtraction programs to me. Uh, it's very urgent. I need it very urgently. No, I can't start ask. I cannot ask now again from the beginning. So what I will do, you have this right. You can drag and keep it here, and you can get drag. It's okay. Test.py. Let me rename it as addition. Addition.py. I will keep the addition.py. I have given the context, and this scenario is like this session. You have deleted this. Okay, that session if you have deleted by mistake, you have a new session, you don't know now again you have to type in, but anyways the files you'll have it here, whatever the chat history is gone. So what you'll do, you'll just drag and drop those files here. I have provided you the context of the programs. Go through go through those files and create a new program which does both addition and subtraction. Enter. So now it's keeping these two files, it's reading it. Here is the new program. See guys, so fast it is. Within seconds, it's done. I really liked it. I'm going to click on the like symbol. Now I'm going to copy this, create a new file. I will add sub.py, which does both. Copy paste this. I'll save this. This is the program. I'll click on the play button. Perfect. Enter the first number 10, 19, 2, second number. Okay, now it will tell me enter plus for addition or minus for subtraction. I will put minus. There is minus. I'll put plus. The sum is 21.0. Perfect. 19 plus 2, 21. You want to do the subtraction. Just run the file again. Type anything you want. 23, 6, and hit minus 17.0. Perfect. That's it, guys. Within fraction of seconds, we did everything. Even though we lost the chat history, we had the files here and we did it within few seconds. That's how the fast, the AI is. The GitHub Copilot is really good with VS Code integrated. So I'll catch you up guys in the next video. Next video will be the continuation of the same video. So hope you guys liked it. Please feel free to subscribe, follow me if you would like me to explain anything, any concepts or anything related to Python, AWS, networking, VS Code, large language modules, how to, how to program prompts, how to write a prompt engineering. You feel free to ask me. I'll try my best to explain you in a very layman language. Hope you guys all are doing well. Take care. Bye bye.